Sunil Bab, today you have been appointed as got ticket from Moscow for Aam Aadmi Party. What are the plans for the party in Moscow?
First of all, I am very happy that Aam Aadmi Party has decided to give the candidature to a youth like me, and this is a real opportunity for youngsters for us to come into politics. And I would like to thank Arvind Kejriwal sir and Rahul Mamre, our convener, for this opportunity. And the people who have posed their faith in Aam Aadmi Party for all these years, for the work we have done for Aam Aadmi Party. And Vasco people are desperate for a change. The people need change. All over Goa, people are fed up with BJP's misgovernance, misrule. Today, if BJP had to keep their act together, today youth would not suffer. Today jobs are not there. Young people are on the streets. They are not having work. They have been laid off. The employment, if you check the employment record, that itself is sure that the people who are unemployed are so many. And as far as Vasco is concerned, the same problem. Unemployment is a major issue in Vasco also. Majority of our people are unemployed. And same way, when I went for door-to-door campaigning in places like Saibin, but for the past 3 days, there is no water. People are suffering. They are borrowing water from each other. PWD is absolutely failed in its work to provide water. Basic, essential that a person requires, that is water. And if the government cannot provide water to the people, then it is a shame on this government. And as far as basic infrastructure is concerned, Vasco is a city which is designed for X number, a small number it was designed for. Today we have overcrowded the city and we have put so much of pressure on the infrastructure, but the augmentation of the infrastructure is not done. Today the sewage system cannot meet the requirement. Water supply in most of the buildings in Vasco, we don't get water, there is no pressure for the water. Electricity, half the time electricity is going off, so erratic. Our government has provided, Aam Aadmi Party's government has provided 24/7 electricity, uninterrupted power supply, and that too we want the benefits to come to the people. Today, lakhs and crores of rupees is collected in taxes, but what do the public get in return? They are not getting anything on ground. So we want people, we go to door and we find that people want a change, they are desperate for a change, they are looking for a new face, and I am sure that this time the people of Vasco are going to take a wise decision and vote for a young candidate who will be able to deliver. Today municipality is in shambles. Today no work can be done in the municipality. People are literally being treated like animals. When they go to the municipality वयता तेन्ना तांकां धाडून घातला, तांकां इन्सल्ट करून धाडटात अक्षरशः. असले ऑफिसर आनी असले जे एम्प्लॉईज आहा तांकां रोखडे सस्पेंड करपाची गरज आहा. आयज तांकां जर सस्पेंड करना जाल्यार आमचे जे पब्लीक सर्वंट ते पब्लिका खातीर काम करपाक जाय. आयज मामलेदाराक तुमचे कामां जायना, ते भाशेन म्युनिसिपालिटीन कामां जायना. कित्याक बारीकशे लोकांचें काम एक दिसान जावपाचें कामां तुमचें जायना. दो देर इज a specific period during which the permissions have to be given, RC has to be given. खंय चलता तेंचें? ज्या मनशा कडेन पयशे आहा त्या मनशाक तुका RC घरान काडून दिता, पूण बाकीच्या लोकांक कितें? सादारण सामान्य मनशाक सामके रोडार हाडून दवरला, तेंचे कामां केन्ना जायना. आनी जर इतल्या वर्सान तुमकां लायट आनी उदक हे दिवपाक मेळोना जाल्यार आनी फुडें कितें सांगपाचें? बाकीचे तो द इश्यूज आर क्लियर. एवरीवन, इफ यू गो टेक अ राउंड ऑफ द सिटी, यू विल कम टू नो वॉट इज द सिटी इज इन शॅम्बल्स. देर नो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एट ऑल. आयज बिल्डिंगेन उदक ना, लायट येना. कित्याक खातीर? इतल्या वर्सां सरकार चलयता. बीजेपीचे डबल इंजीन सरकार म्हणटात, डबल इंजीन फेलियर सरकार, डबल इंजीन इन्फ्लेशन. That is all this government has done. Double engine inflation. Today business people, आयज जे बिझनसमॅन आसा ते अक्षरशः बिझनस तांकां करपाक मेळना. कित्याक तेंचे कडेन जे रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट आहा ते इतले वाडलेले आहा तांकां it is not affordable for them to carry on business. Banks are not giving them loan. Bank तुका help करना. आणि लोकांक जर सरकाराचे आधार ह्या टायमार ना, पॅन्डेमिका टायमार लोक अक्षरशः मरता जीएमसी, हे सिच्युएशन जाला. जर तुमचे कडेन हेल्थ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी हे बाकीचे बारीकशे कामां जायना आनी कितें सांगपाचें. आयज दिल्लीन वचा तुमी, दिल्लीन तुमकां वाड्यांनी क्लिनिक्स आसा, वाड्यांनी तुमचे एक फॅसिलिटीज लोकांक मेळटा. डोर टू डोर सर्वीस स्टार्ट जाला, रेशन कार्ड घरान येता तुजें. त्याच भाशेन तुजे आरटीओचे जे कामां आसा ते घरान होम डिलिव्हरी जाता तुमचे प्रोडक्टाचे. ऑनलायन फायल करपाचें, एप्लिकेशन भरपाचें आनी तुमकां घरान येवन सर्विसी मेळटा. हें कित्याक जावचें न्ही. वास्को भाशेन शहराक जे मेजॉरिटी आमचे टॅक्स पेयर्साचे पयशे मेजॉरिटी इज गोईंग फ्रॉम वास्को, अ सिटी लायक वास्को. आयज आमकां आमचे म्युन्सिपालिटीचे वर्कर्साक पयशे दिवपाक मेळना, तेंचे कडेन पयशे ना. इतले व्हडले कॉर्पोरेशन्स आसा तेंचे कडल्यान इतलो डिफॉल्ट आसा. आयज कित्याक तुमचे कडेन रिकवरी जायना तेंचे? तुमी रिकवर करपाक जाय. कोण रिकवर करतलो? आमचे काम ते. द रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स हॅव फेल्ड ऑल दीस इयर्स टू प्रोवाइड employment to the people of Vasco. The representatives have failed to give basic water, electricity to the people of Vasco, and it is their failure that has resulted in this. Today people are fed up of these people because of this reason. If today people are thinking of Aam Aadmi Party, it is only because of this reason. And people like me, youth like me, are coming into politics because there is no other option. The traditional political parties have failed. They are not taking up the issues of the people. आज अरविंद केजरीवालान अनाउन्स केलो आपण उदक फ्री दितलो म्हणून. दुसऱ्या दीस हेंचे अनाउन्समेंट आपण फ्री दिता म्हणून. खंय फ्री? आज हांव डोर टू डोर गेलो तेन्ना 11,000 16,000 ह्या लोकांचे बील येयला. 16,000 उदकाचे बील. बॉम्बे सारकी शहरान तुका 600-700चे वयर बील येना आनी आमकां तुमी 11,000 16,000 बील दिता. लोकांक तुमकां पादिशेर करूंक सोदता. पयली स्कीम दिता, पेन्शनां बंद करता. इलेक्शना टायमार 3-4 म्हयने तुमी पेन्शनां दिवना लोकांक. पेन्शनां वाडोवपाचे तुमचे कसले गरज आहा? तुमचे कडेन जर हो मॅनेज जायना, सरकार मॅनेज जायना जाल्यार सोडून दियात. आमचे अशें तरणाटे आहा पळय ते चलयतले. 25-26 वर्साचे जर भुरगे कंपनी चलोवपाक शकता जाल्यार तुमचे सरकार चलोवपाक जायना.
What you can say about Congress now?
Congress has failed. Congress has failed in creating a second line of leadership. And by the ticket distribution, it is 100% clear that they don't want young faces. They don't want the people. So it is failure of Congress that has resulted in all these situations. Today, Aam Aadmi Party is filling the gap which Congress has left. Congress has created a failure as far as leadership is concerned. There were a particular group of leaders who have hijacked Congress. The people who held on to power, and they are not refusing to let go of power. Today, Aam Aadmi Party is giving opportunities to youngsters like me. Has Congress ever considered giving opportunities to youngsters like me? No, it is not possible, because there are vested interests in Congress. There are big players who don't want to let go of power to the youngsters. Today it is a generation of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. आणि जे old generation Congress leaders आहा, they are away from the reality. तांकां रियलिटीचे बाबतींत काय खबर ना. They are away from the 70-80% of the youth who are there in their aspirations are there. तांकां काम रोखडे जाय. They want things online. They want single window system, which this government has failed. This double engine government has failed to give single window system. इतले वर्सां जाली. आयज जर आमचे भुरगे भायर वयता हेजे कारण इतलें की तांकां फॅसिलिटीज बरे मेळटा भायर. एक ऑनलायन तुमचे कामां जाता. हांगा गोंयान half the things cannot be done online. Most of the things are not able. There is no provision to do things online. It is important. आयज जर बरी सरकार आम आदमी पार्टीची सरकार घडून येता जाल्यार 100% हे सगळे बेसीक लोकांचे गरजेचे सामान आसा वेदर इट इज बी एड्युकेशन वेदर आयज म्युनिसिपल स्कूल जे आसा तेजी हालत पळया इतले बरे टिचर्स द बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट टिचर्स आर देर बट दे आर नॉट गिवन द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑल द गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल टिचर्स आर डुईंग व्हेरी वंडरफूल जॉब आयज गव्हर्मेंट स्कूलाचे टिचर्स इतले बरे काम करता बट दे आर नॉट गेटिंग द रिक्वायर्ड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट आयज दिल्लीन जर टुराक वयता आनी स्टडी टुराक वयता तेजे बेनिफीट कोण घेता टिचर्स घेता and we require to send our Goan teachers abroad for training so that our children can learn better. They can become big people. They can become engineers, doctors, and they will be able to deliver all this. And I will request the people of Vasco, as तुमच्या हातान आहा, आज तुम्ही एक चान्स दिवन पळयात आम आदमी पार्टी हांव इतलेंच मागता की अरविंद केजरीवाल सर आणि आमचे कन्व्हिनर जे आसा राहुल मांबरे सर त्या भाशेन आमचो CM कॅन्डिडेट जो CM आसा CM फेस अमित पालेकर सर वी आर ऑल एड्युकेटेड पीपल वी नो हाऊ टू लेजिस्लेट वी नो MLA's job is to legislate we need to put up good laws which will solve the people's problems today people आयज जर बरो कायदो हाडलो जाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटी जाग्यार बसतली बरे भाशेन कामां जातली लोकांचे क्विक सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम कायदो हाडपाक जाय सिंगल विंडो काम जातले सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम इज द सोल्युशन टू एवरीथिंग वी कॅन put the things online so that people can benefit as जर ऑनलायन केली जाल्यार खुबशे किओस्क हाडपाक जाता खुबशे कामां करपाक जाता बट एक डिफरंट चिंतपाची गरज आहा आमकां टुडे वी रिक्वायर झाडू इज आवर ओनली ऑप्शन आयज झाडूक आमी वोट केल्यार आमच्या भुरग्याचें फ्युचर बरें जातलें हे दोन उतरां म्हणून हांव आपले उलोवपाचें